If you want a high quality bob unit that looks like your natural hair, Well, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kie RaShon.
You, my number one.
Today's video is brought to you by HerGivenHair. They sent me another unit to try for you guys. It is also something saying the girl got her wah today because listen, I had to come back for this one, okay? Not this one, but this one. So I had to focus and make sure that I was, in the right mindset to get this wig on my head, and y'all see it. So make sure you keep on watching so you can see how I styled this wig out the pack and after the fact, okay, bars. As always, if you're new to the channel, make sure you go ahead and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. Like I said, this unit comes from HerGivenHair. All the specs of my unit as well as the products that I'm using in today's video listed down below in my description box. So if you want to check anything out, you can. Today we are doing a bob. Do y'all see this kinky goodness? Huh? You see that? Yeah. And it's a closure, okay? A 5x5 closure to be exact, of natural goodness, high quality hair. When you are looking for a high quality unit, look no further than HerGivenHair. You hear me? Hey, they did give us some upgrades with this one. 2 combs on the side, 1 comb in the back with the adjustable straps and the drawstring, as well as the removable elastic band. Okay, so this wig should go nowhere gluelessly. Band back in here. Hold up, where we at? Where we at? Let me go ahead and tint my lace real quick. Black Radiance Contour Palette in the shade medium to dark, and use a mixture of my contour and sculpt shade. These two, okay? I feel like you're a little low. Let me bring you up here. I can cut some of that lace off here. I can. Let me put it right here. I got ahead of myself. I thought she was pre-cut. She not. I just thought about it. I don't necessarily need the band on mine because of the drawstring. Let me just take it off and see. Sometimes HerGivenHair be fitting a little medium on my head, and especially with this one being a one size fits most. I'm normally not the most. Now I'm going blop it on my head. Oop, I don't want the comb. No comb, no comb. Got fresh up in there. No, get out of there. This is a side part or a middle part? Get that drawstring. I'm just gonna tuck it up. Super suit. I like that cut. I like that a lot. What length is this? It said 12. Maybe 12 to the back. Yeah, that's what it is, 12 to the back. It's a closure, so the lace stops right here, just at my temples. And then y'all see how this is blending down to me. All right, let me bring down some hair in the front here. I'm gonna put some mousse, my Nairobi mousse, right here on top of this lace. Ooh, no. Tap that in. I'll cut that hair a little bit shorter. Don't worry, I'm not leaving it like that. I just need to separate it a bit. They don't have a band, but I have some extra ones. Let's just use what I have. Now I'm gonna go ahead and tell you this wig does come up a slight smell. So before I blow dry mine down, I was gonna use my dry shampoo, but I forgot I don't have no more. I gotta buy some, I know. So I'm gonna use about a little bit of my silk spray, kind of help with that smell a bit. Cause I can't find my box of wig perfume either. Where is my stuff? Work that through. Take my blow dryer brush here on high. I'm gonna put my glasses on. And I'm gonna sleek this hair out on high. Now if I want it to be sleeker, I will use a flat iron. So now I'm gonna take my round brush, and I'm quite literally just gonna brush through this hair and add some bump to it. Just like this. Feeling hot. Keep on rolling. Same thing over here. Roll it all the way down. All right, let me take off my band. Brush back what I don't need, brush down what I do. Okay, comb over. Use my blow dryer on high heat and just flatten this out a bit. I want a little bit more body-yaddy. Let me just cut these a little bit shorter. Even though you don't have to, because this wig can be worn gluelessly. This one size fit most, again, I'm not most, so I need mine to stay right where I put it. Just a little light spritzing, that's all. The look is very simple. The hair feels great. It's definitely given I pressed out my natural hair. But if I go outside, she gonna swell right up. Unless I go in and actually press her out with a hot comb, flat iron, all that. Let me do this little situation. Put my part over here. I'm talking and swooping, talking and swooping. That's what I'm doing. Now, if you don't know the difference between Kinky and Yaki hair, Yaki's a lot heavier. Kinky is light. When you go outside and that heat or that moisture hits Kinky hair, it's gonna puff right up. Okay, Yak don't do that. No complaints about this one whatsoever. I know you're already like, girl, wait a minute. Not the look I had on my head, but I wasn't really feeling how that was looking. So I had to sit with it for a little bit. I decided to come back and press her out. And this is what we're looking like. I used my TYMO Hot Comb right here to press the hair out. I still didn't wash her. And then I used my curling iron to, you know, bump my ends and then add some curls here in the front. This length is very easy to work with, especially for a kinky straight. I have no complaints about this hair whatsoever. Again, it's HerGivenHair. The quality speaks for itself. So does that price point. Okay, so if you are not in the budget for a HerGivenHair unit, okay, go ahead and add this one to the wish list and circle back later. HerGivenHair units last about 3 to 5 years. If you want a high quality bob unit that looks like your natural hair, even as a closure, it looks great. Want to wear her out the pack? You saw how that looked. But if you want to add a little razzle dazzle to your look, get it, girl. No tangles with this unit. I did get a little bit of shedding, but nothing crazy. And this hair is pretty thick, so I'm not really worried about the shedding right now. But I think that's pretty much all I got. I think. Let me just verify. I had some notes written down. One thing I do want to mention is the gluelessness of this wig. I sprayed mine down across the front both times just because I wanted it to be extra secure for me. But the new drawstring design that they have on the back will definitely give you the security that you need as well. Okay, so you don't have to spray it down if you don't want to. I just wanted mine to sit flush to my forehead, so that's why I sprayed mine down. But you can simply just tighten that joint down if you want to wear the unit glueless and go on about your business. What else we got? It's glueless, it's seamless, it looks good on me. I think that's it. Yeah, shout out one more time to HerGivenHair for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link, my specs, and the coupon code for this unit down below, so if you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.